6 Natural Remedies for Seasonal Allergies. Before going into the video, we've just printed more copies of what is probably the best plant medicine book ever written. The Lost Book of Herbal Remedies. You'll find 800 plus beneficial plants and remedies in the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies. How to recipes of tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions, and many other natural remedies that our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has between 2 and 4 color pictures for each plant and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. So get your copy by clicking the first link in our description. Now let's get into today's video. At this time of year, many people are suffering from seasonal allergies. The symptoms can include itching, sneezing, congestion and runny nose, headaches, red or watery eyes, and so on. They can vary from mild to severe, acute to chronic. Seasonal allergies, sometimes referred to as hay fever, result from exposure to spores or pollen released into the atmosphere by fungi, grasses, trees, and other plants. That plant material is mistaken for an invasive protein by your body's immune system, leading to the production of chemicals like histamine. Histamine attempts to attack or expel the invader, resulting in the bothersome symptoms described above. Those who experience seasonal allergies are also intolerant to certain foods which they cannot easily digest. The poorly digested food is often regurgitated back into the respiratory tract, leading to many of the allergy symptoms noted above. The big food culprit is dairy products, followed by eggs, poultry, red meat, bread/wheat, certain nuts, and alcohol. With the immune system becoming increasingly compromised with continued consumption of the biggest food culprits, the person becomes more sensitized to other food triggers and environmental triggers. Seasonal allergies are often treated by lessening the symptoms with antihistamines like loratadine, cetirizine, Benadryl. The problem is these medications do not resolve the allergies and are plagued with many side effects such as mild dependency, dehydration, headache, dry mouth, drowsiness, digestive problems, and/or brain fog. One also requires taking these medications on a regular basis. It may be more effective to address the root cause of the allergies and how to strengthen the immune system instead. Some natural remedies for treating allergies are: 1. Hydration through water. When the respiratory and digestive systems are dehydrated, the immune system will cause a rebound effect leading to nasal congestion, runny nose, sneezing, and/or coughing. Do the following in order to optimize your hydration. Try to drink 2 to 3 cups of plain warm water upon awakening. Wait at least 30 minutes before eating or drinking anything. Stick with having warm meals eaten with a spoon and in a bowl. These meals should hopefully naturally contain water, for example green vegetables, beans, oats, quinoa, millet, mushrooms. Do not drink liquids while eating. Instead, wait for a half hour before drinking lots of warm water. Try to fast 3 hours before bed. Make sure to have 2 cups of water during the evening. Drink 1 cup of water before and after showering. 2. Saline nasal rinses. When your sinuses are congested, rinse them out. You can load up a neti pot with warm, purified water, and a few splashes of essential oil for additional lubrication. The alternative is using a saline nasal spray. Do the nasal rinses twice a day at a minimum so that the nasal passages can remain moist and prevent environmental allergens from getting trapped in the respiratory tract. Apply Vicks Vapor Rub to the nares after the saline rinses and Aba oil, i.e., type of eucalyptus oil, to the chest. They are good at detoxifying, purifying, killing bacteria, reducing inflammation, and relieving the symptoms of seasonal allergies. 3. Quercetin and leafy green vegetables. Quercetin is found in a variety of fruits and vegetables, most especially leafy green vegetables, broccoli, cauliflower, leeks, and spring onions. It's a bioflavonoid that moderates histamine production and release. Bioflavonoid is an ambiguous term that used to be called vitamin P. It is responsible for giving plants their pigmentation. The term now describes the broad category that includes antioxidants and anti-inflammatory enzymes. Quercetin has been tested in clinical trials. It has been shown to reduce irritation of the airways while improving one's overall health. In concentrated doses, It can help to control the severe anaphylactic reaction to certain foods, like peanuts. It does take time to build up sufficient doses of quercetin, so those prone to seasonal allergies would do well to begin taking quercetin and load up on having lots of vegetable weeks or even months in advance of the allergy season. Then again, these foods are so healthy that it is best to eat them all the time. 4. Citrus fruits / high in vitamin C, bioflavonoids, and antioxidants. Citrus fruits, especially lemons, are extremely good for boosting immune response and preventing the symptoms of seasonal allergies. This is another of those remedies that works best in smaller, more frequent doses. Add a splash of lemon juice to olive oil, for a salad dressing, or add lemon and apple cider vinegar to a glass of water a few times a day, for regular immune support and symptom relief. Stick with having a small orange instead of drinking orange or other fruit juice. Eating citrus fruit is significantly more beneficial to the immune system than drinking the juice form. 5. Butterbur extract. The butterbur plant, Petacetes hybridus, is grown best in wet marshland, damp forest soil, or on riverbanks. Butterbur extract is taken from the leaf, roots, or bulb of the plant. It contains two chemicals called petacetin and isopetecin which help to reduce spasms and inflammation. It is the action of these chemicals that is thought to give butterbur its health benefits. The use of butterbur to treat ailments can be traced back to the Middle Ages when it was used to fight the plague. Over the centuries it has been used to treat a range of conditions, including wounds, coughs, asthma. Today it is most commonly used to treat headaches, allergies, such as hay fever, upset stomachs, urinary tract infections. Take PA-free butterbur extract 75 mg to 150 mg twice a day during the course of the seasonal allergies. 6. Nettle. Stinging nettle seems like an odd choice for improving health, but when properly prepared, it has been shown to treat all manner of concerns, especially including histamine overreactions and inflammation. It's been widely used in natural medicine for at least a millennium, and probably even further back, as a tea. Common preparations now include tinctures or freeze-dried capsules as well. Natural remedies for seasonal allergies and advanced health. Advanced Health's integrative approach to medicine incorporates the practical, mechanical knowledge of more conventional Western medicine, but also explores the more natural, supportive knowledges from Eastern sources. At Advanced Health, we generally hold that the least invasive path to wellness is preferable, and we're very much in favor of treating seasonal allergies naturally. Has this summer got your eyes watering, and your nose running? Why not book a consultation with our integrative functional medicine physician, Dr. Payal Bhandari MD. She will treat the source of any condition, including seasonal allergies. Contact Advanced Health today, and get yourself on the path to ease, symptom relief, and lasting wellness. And don't forget to check out the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies book where you'll find 800 plus beneficial plants and remedies on how to recipes of tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions, and many other natural remedies that our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has between 2 and 4 color pictures for each plant and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. So get your copy by clicking the first link in our description.